Here's a quick tip to make it easier for mounting the power supply or any device that uses the key slots on the back. So in this case, I want to mount the power supply onto this stud. Got the key slots in the back, fit standard drywall screws. Now I've tried using templates and rulers and lots of different ways to get this right, and this may be pretty rudimentary to you watching, but this was a life changer for me. And I had a strip of blue painter's tape right over the key slots, push them down, and mark where the finished stud should go. There it is. Now I'm going to peel off the tape. I'm going to place it onto the surface that I want to mount the power supply to. Perfect. Now the tape's stuck on, let's drill in a couple of screws. There's one. And one more. Now I'm going to peel off the tape. Align the screws to the key slots after I fumble around for 30 seconds. There we go. Plug in the connections. And finally the power. And we're all set. Thanks for watching.